Hey everybody, it's Helen. We just got the paper pumpkin for August 2020 and Meg and I are going to put it together, and we just thought we'd unbox it with you and share it. So here we go. Here is the paper pumpkin, and we're actually really unboxing it. I just took the plastic off. This is August 2020, so here we go. So we're taking it out to see what we have. Okay, so this is my first paper pumpkin. So that means that I got a block. So it says, say hello to your new stamping block. How do you use it? Just place the stamp on the acrylic block, apply ink, and stamp your project. And repeat. It's so easy to skip to the fun. P.S. This black block is an important stamping tool, so be sure to keep it where you can find it for future projects. So paper pumpkin basics. So make sure that you keep the block if this is your first one. Keep this block so you can use it later. So I'm going to put that over here for right now. We also got some ribbon, wow, let's see, it's like 1-inch ribbon. So we're gonna put that over here too. Welcome, thanks for choosing paper pumpkin. And everything you need is inside the box. So you've got, tells you some peel and stick, and stamp and create, and then it have some helpful resources, including some ways to hook it up online with Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and YouTube. And also, you can always ask me for help too, and I am here for you if you ever need that. All right, so that is for other stuff. Okay, the next one says, this is actually for next month. This is the paper pumpkin for September. It says, it is now, you can go ahead and sign up for this now. The kit has got something for everyone. It's actually an autumn themed treat packages, and it's got about 20 sets of things that you can do. So what you're going to do is actually got autumn, and it also has the Halloween themed treat package stuff. So you can, whether you celebrate Halloween or you don't, there's something for everybody with that. So go ahead and look into that and go ahead and sign up. I have a link on there. Go ahead and go to paperpumpkin.com and sign up. Don't forget to use me as your demonstrator, and we can do that all together next time. We can do a Zoom or a Facebook Live, and we can put that all together. So don't forget, hello pumpkin. Let's do a paper pumpkin together next month. That would be awesome. And those are only $22, so really great. And you would get, if it's your first time, you get your block for free. So that's included. All right, the next thing we have, you have our stamps. I'm gonna put this under here so it's a little bit easier to see. You've got, that's like the ribbon that comes with the, on a medal. You've got the, that fancy ribbon part that goes at the bottom for the medal. You've got some words. You've got, let's see. Coach. Oh, friend. Number one, you're the best. You deserve a medal. Teacher, kid.
World's greatest.
Oh, nice. And this calls for a celebration. So this is all about celebrating just everyday people and being awesome. So, and actually the really cool part is you can see that there is some shading on the stamps themselves. So you get some really high-tech stuff just by stamping. That's really nice. So we're going to put that over there too. Our Stampin' spot color this month is Pacific Point, which is a really pretty color. The last one I did of these that I did was black. So now we've got 2 Stampin' spots, including all the other ones I bought with my starter kit. Remember that one that I unboxed? So Pacific Point, I can't wait to open that one. Now the cool thing is, they always wrap it like a gift. So I'm going to go ahead and take all the paper out, and I'm going to put my box over here so I don't have to have it in the way. All right, so, and open up the tissue. All right. So what do we have inside? Let's move it so you can see it. All right. Oh, well, first of all, it's wrapped in plastic. I'm still borrowing my husband's scissors till I get some paper, some Stampin' Up snips. Shh, don't tell him. I still have using his fabric scissors. All right, so wow, we've got some tiny stars. Yeah, you can have the scissors too. And we have some foam, and they're actually going to be window cards. And they use their stuff wisely because there's some Stampin' Dimensionals on the back right there. We've got, wow, nine envelopes with plaid on the back. 3 of them are, ooh, so we got green and blues. So if green and blue are your paper or your color, this is for you. We've got some cards here that match. Ooh, these plastic pieces are the ones to go over the window cards. I will show you how to use them in just a second. And then we have some pieces to contrast so we can have some that have some interest. And then we have some more cards. Let's see what they look like, because right now I can't see anything. Are they white? Ooh, they are white. So we have some white cards. Okay, and then we have some more decorative elements. So we have circles and other things. And we have some more shapes. Ooh, bling. Shiny bling. Woohoo! Hopefully I didn't just give somebody a migraine or something. Ow! Oh. And then, of course, we have some awards. Yes, awards. And then we have some more cards. So, all right. Those are just really pretty papers. Okay. Ooh, wait. At the very bottom, we have, these are some vellum pieces, and we're gonna need to punch those out. Now, you might be wondering, where are the directions? So the directions are on the back. Don't forget to pull those out. And so the directions are on the back, and I'm gonna put my, you can use the cardboard as a place to stamp if you want to protect your working surface. I'm going to also get rid of my very pretty paper. I don't need it right now. And with my luck, it's going to get ripped up if I'm not careful. So,